This Schlage keypad lever on the common door to an apartment building had a locking motor that was failing intermittently and locking out the residents. Upon closer inspection, it looked like some of the wires inside the unit were frayed or broken, so it was time for a replacement. I didn't have the exact part on hand at the time, so I had to order it for her and come back a day or so later. First, we start by removing the old hardware and latch from the door and preparing the replacement keypad for installation. Next, after making sure the new lock functions properly with the included 9-volt battery, we begin installing it on the door. After the install is done, we function test the lock by locking it and entering one of the pre-programmed user codes on the owner's manual and making sure the physical key override works. Before leaving, I programmed the user code the customer wanted to use into the keypad and deleted all the pre-programmed user codes. Everything works perfectly, so this one's good to go.